Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into 3 bean recipes for weight loss. So let's get started. Wait! Before starting bean recipe video, we introduce you with Alpalian, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Recipe 3. Lentil and vegetable soup. We're starting with a comforting lentil and vegetable soup that's rich in flavor and nutrients. In a pot, saute diced onion, minced garlic, diced carrots, and diced celery in olive oil until they soften. Add diced tomatoes and cook until they release their juices. Stir in green or brown lentils, bay leaves, thyme, rosemary vegetable broth, salt, and black pepper. Simmer until the lentils are tender and the flavors meld together. Remove the bay leaves before serving. Garnish with fresh parsley leaves if desired. It's a hearty and satisfying soup that's perfect for a nourishing meal. Recipe 2. Black bean and corn salad. Let's move on to a black bean and corn salad, a refreshing and protein-rich dish. That's great for a light meal or as a side dish. In a bowl, combine black beans, corn kernels, diced red bell pepper, finely chopped red onion, halved cherry tomatoes, and chopped fresh cilantro leaves. In a separate bowl, whisk together lime juice, olive oil, garlic powder, cumin, salt, and black pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss until everything is well coated. Serve with avocado slices if you like. It's a zesty and colorful salad that's perfect for a healthy and quick meal. Get this amazing product. Click the link in the description below. Recipe 1. Chickpea and spinach curry. Let's wrap up with chickpea and spinach curry, a flavorful and filling dish that's perfect for a cozy meal. In a pan, sauté finely chopped onion, minced garlic, and minced ginger in olive oil until fragrant. Add curry powder, turmeric, cumin, and coriander and saute for another minute. Stir in diced tomatoes and cook until they soften. Add chickpeas and coconut milk. Simmer until the sauce thickens and the chickpeas are heated through. Fold in fresh spinach leaves until wilted. Season with salt and black pepper. Garnish with fresh cilantro leaves. It's a warm and hearty curry that's perfect for a satisfying dinner. Ready to shed those extra pounds. Get Alpalian? Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video.